Common methods for inspecting carbon steel welds include liquid penetrant testing and magnetic particle testing. These conventional methods are operator-dependent and require surface preparation along with paint and coating removal. Plus, PT and MT will not provide a crack depth. The probe has an adjustable design with independent fingers to conform to weld geometry variations and a rotating module to adapt to a wide variety of fillet welds of various cap angles. The Sharck probe is based on tangential eddy current array technology, which was specifically developed for cracking in carbon steel. The probe enables operators to completely scan weld caps, toe areas, and heat-affected zones at a high speed, up to 200 millimeters per second or 8 inches per second, with 2 scans only. It can be used on coated welds without altering detection and depth sizing capabilities. This is possible because the acquisition system monitors and compensates for liftoff and permeability variations during data acquisition. Thanks to the built-in encoder, defects are not only detected, but also automatically positioned. The solution provides compelling C-scanning imaging for a rapid and intuitive analysis, along with full data recording and easy archiving capabilities. Clearly, data analysis has never been so intuitive thanks to automatic readings, crack length, crack depth, and liftoff, such as paint thickness. Sharck probes are robust with a clever design leveraging a field-proven technology tailored to surface crack detection and depth sizing in carbon steel fillet welds. Thank you for watching. For more information about eddy current array technology, please visit our website.